In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to reset your password in ElevenLabs step by step, so you can get back into your account quickly and without any confusion. Whether you forgot your login details or just want to update your password for security, this tutorial will walk you through the full process from the sign-in page to successfully logging in with your new password. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials like this. Let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to the ElevenLabs sign-in page. You can do that by visiting elevenlabs.io/sign-in. Once the page loads, you'll see the login form with your email and password fields. Since you need to reset your password, look just below the password field and click on the Forgot Password link. This will start the password reset process. Next, ElevenLabs will ask you to enter the email address that is connected to your account. Make sure you type the exact email you used when you signed up, because the reset link will only be sent to that address. After entering your email, click Continue. ElevenLabs will now send you a password reset email. Open your email inbox and look for a message from ElevenLabs. If you don't see it right away, don't worry. Check your spam folder, junk folder, or promotions tab, because sometimes reset emails can end up there by mistake. Once you find the email, open it and click the password reset link inside. That link will take you to a secure page where you can create a brand new password for your ElevenLabs account. On that page, enter your new password carefully, then confirm it by typing it again in the confirmation field. Make sure both entries match exactly and choose a strong password that you can remember but others cannot easily guess. After that, submit the change. Once the reset is complete, go back to the ElevenLabs sign-in page. Now log in using your email address and your new password. If everything was entered correctly, you should be signed in successfully and ready to use your ElevenLabs account again. And that's it. You've now reset your password in ElevenLabs and regained access to your account. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful guides, and I'll see you in the next one.